In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a license key in Balsamiq. If you've recently purchased a Balsamiq license, you're just a few simple steps away from getting all set up. So grab your computer, sit back, and let's dive into it. To start, you'll need to launch the Balsamiq desktop app on your computer. This is the first essential step in the process. If you haven't already downloaded and installed Balsamiq, please go ahead and do that first. Once installed, find the icon for Balsamiq on your desktop or in your Applications folder and open it up. It might take a few moments to load, so just be patient. Now that you have Balsamiq open, you'll want to navigate to the menu bar at the top of the app interface. Look for the Help menu, which is usually located towards the right-hand side. Click on this menu, and it will reveal a drop-down list of options for you to choose from. This part of the application is designed to assist you with any queries relating to the software, including registration. Next, in the drop-down list, look for the option labeled Register. You might notice there are similar options, so ensure you select Register. This step is crucial and will direct you to the right place to enter your license key. Clicking Register will open a dialog box where you can enter your license details. Now, here's an important tip for you. Locate the license information which was sent to you via email at the time of your purchase. This information is generally found in your receipt email from Balsamiq. Make sure you open that email and clearly see the license key details. Instead of typing it out manually, I strongly recommend that you simply copy it directly from your email. This is a crucial step to prevent any potential errors, because sometimes the keys can be a bit long and complex. Once you've copied the license information, return to the Balsamiq dialog box you opened earlier and paste it directly into the text field provided. Pasting the information like this will ensure there are no mistakes, and it will make the process much smoother for you. After pasting the details, follow any additional instructions that Balsamiq might provide to finalize the registration. And there you have it. You've successfully entered your license key into Balsamiq, and your software should now be fully registered and ready to use. Enjoy exploring all the features that Balsamiq has to offer and unleash your creative designs. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, don't hesitate to refer back to the Help menu or reach out to Balsamiq support. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.